And here I am today in this 17 acres of plush township area, and the project is called Adrena. Now this is located right next to the Worli Sailing, and you can get the best views in Mumbai from right this place. Now first of all, I'm going to talk to you about the amenities that are available. Rather, I have a better idea. Why talk about it? Why not just show it to you? Let's take a look at the amenities. I'm going to walk through and you stay tuned with me. Let's take a look. Come. These are the towers that you can see that are being constructed, and they are going to be of multiple different levels ranging from 67 to 78 floors. Now the 2 BHK variants would start from 944 square feet and go up to 967 square feet. With the study, the price range begins from 6.2 crore onwards. The 3 BHK starts from 1136 square feet with a price range of 7.5 crore onwards. Now as you can see, the high-rise floors are going to have Jodi options exclusively with the sea view, and the carpet areas would range from 2278 square feet to 3296 square feet. Now let's see if we can see the flat from inside as well. Now that you have seen the project, I'm sure you want to know more details. Stay with me, I'm going to tell it to you. And this is the place where I'm going to show you the sample flat. And here we're entering into the grand and beautiful premium exquisite apartment of 1374 square feet approximately. This is your grand and living area and the dining area that has a very, very, very beautiful window. I'm going to tell you about it. You have to stay with me until the end of this video. Here is the view from your living area. Now let's take a look at the first bedroom. Right over here is the first bedroom of the house. Now this bedroom also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. Let's take a look. This is the next bedroom of the house. Let's take a look at the views. These are exuberant views that I'm going to talk to you about in just about some time. Now this bedroom also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. Let's take a look. And this is the powder room, that is the common washroom in the lobby area. And this is your study area. And this is the beautiful kitchen area that ends at the vegetable sink over here. And this is a quad sink, which of course we know has a longer life. And this over here is a window that will allow perfect ventilation as well. Now let's move out of the kitchen area. And over here we enter into the grand master bedroom. Let's take a closer look at this one. Right at the entrance, you will get to see the attached toilet and wash for this particular room. Let's go inside and take a closer look at this one. And this is the shower cubicle that comes with an elevated floor rise. And of course, the walls have marbles, and here are the rest of the CP sanitary fittings right behind. Now let me take you back into the master bedroom over here. One thing that I absolutely like and that is absolutely thoughtful is that they have provided a cross window right over here, a small window, so that you can get cross ventilation from that big window right over there. Now what exactly is in store for you over there? Let me show you. This is the most beautiful view of the complete Worli area, and also you can notice a little bit of the Worli ceiling over there. Of course, we all know this area. You can see Prabha Devi. That is the Jain Mandir that you can see over there, which is indeed a very auspicious thing that you can take a look at every morning when you wake up. That is the reflection pool, and over there we can also see the swimming pool. Now this is the kind of a view that you will get. This is the kind of a view that you will get when you are on the 17th floor right over here. Now, if this is the kind of view that you want, then what exactly do you need to do? Well, stay with me. I'm going to tell you what exactly needs to be done so that you can come over here. First of all, take a look at this view and then go ahead with the booking process. Stay with me. Now, these are the kind of views that you will get, and these are the bungalows that you can see that would be overlooking the swimming pool, the clubhouse, and the multiple amenities right over here. Now that you've seen the property, you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process or how can you visit this place? Well, it's very simple. Captions mein there's a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on that link, and then our salesperson will get in touch with you and then will help you shortlist the properties depending on your needs and your requirements and your choices. After that, you can of course do the property site visits absolutely free of cost, as I told you earlier, with no brokerage, as I told you earlier, and also with the best payment options and best payment offers as well, as I told you earlier. Now that I've told you everything earlier, you need to very quickly click on the link that's mentioned in the caption, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep seeing such more beautiful properties in your vicinity and across the globe. Well, stay tuned with me, Ekta Kapoor, on Property Cloud for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.